People, welcome back to the Edward the Sheddy.
Hi guys.
Right, today we're making Brazilian soldiers, I think, or Brazilian something. It's basically a truffle. So what we need is, it's dead easy. I don't make these things, you know. You need cocoa powder, condensed milk, bit of a olive spread or butter or whatever, and clean film. And obviously the hot plate. We'll put like 300 heat on it. Right, let's chuck some butter in. Only a little bit. Like a teaspoon. Yeah?
Teaspoon.
Yeah, like that. We got two cameras so you can see see how quickly it warms up. Right, that's that. Wait till it melts. Oh, Brazilian Brigadeiros they call it. That's the one.
Oh.
Or truffles, how we call it. So basically you cook condensed milk. So we're going to use 200 grams of condensed milk, which is just over a half a can. 75 grams of cocoa powder, and you mix it through spatula. Yeah, we're using the rubber ones. Right, that's melted. Right, I have to go with this. Clean that one off so it doesn't go everywhere.
Make sure it's cold.
I don't know a clue. I'm winging it. I think all people winging it. Alright.
Should be alright.
Yeah, about a half. Yeah. Put one little teaspoon for a good measure.
Yeah, we'll put it half.
Right. So that's that. Right, cocoa powder. Right, we need half of this. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Right, so we need half of this. Right, give it a bit more oomph. That means this is quite. It takes a while to mix it through. It smells phenomenal, man. See how thick he's getting.
Yeah. It's very dark now.
No, it will be dark. If you see me sweating, because it's about 1,000,000 degrees in here, because that's hot and outside is hot as well. Main thing is to mix it properly. It smells freaking good.
Strong smell.
Strong but very good. I like that. See, it becomes like a thick, gloopy thing. Right, that's off. Let it cool down. Now we're just going to mix it all properly through. Right, so what we're going to do is we'll move this out of the way. We'll take clean film. Right, that's that. That's that. I know this is the cutting bit. Don't care. Right, we need to motor it now.
What are you doing now? So it's putting that inside it now.
And that,
Oh.
get all the goodies out of the pan. Okay.
That's cool.
Yep. And then just scrape it all off. Yeah, we worked out about 200 grams to about 70 to 100 of cocoa powder. Right. Okay. And then we clean this bad boy off as much as we can. Obviously it's not going to be perfectly clean.
No, you can't do it. That's clean.
Right, that goes in there.
Clean?
That goes in there. Right, this one, what you do now is you do, yeah, I know. You do like that, you do like that.
Don't need no smash.
Nope.
be okay.
Yep. I haven't got a knife. Oh. Do a knife.
No, we don't have a knife. Sorry.
Right. No worries. Just a second. Yeah, don't worry about that. We'll go old school.
Yeah.
There you go.
Easy.
Easy. Right. So this one now make it a bit more flat, yeah, because then it cools down a bit quicker. So what you do now is bend the corners, and that goes in the freezer for 2 hours. Yeah. Obviously, have a look in an hour how firm it is, and then we'll carry on for the best part of the video. See you in a bit. People, welcome back to Ed with the Shed. Right, it's been hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes in a freezer. Right, let's unpack this baby. Hold on, we can make a start. Just trying to see where the start is.
There you go.
There we go. On this camera, you will see what it looks like. Just a big, dark brown mass. Alright. Then we go and cut it.
Still sticky.
A little bit.
Should be longer.
Yeah, but I can't be asked to wait. And then you do a ball.
Yeah, cooking out the flakes.
Like that. Yeah. And then what we'll do is you put in a cocoa powder. And then voila. That's your truffle.
I'm showing you under camera. So.
Yeah, look. Alright. Take the next one. Make a ball. Ta-da! And that's truffles for you. I know they cost freaking a lot in the store. You can make bigger balls or smaller. Size makes difference. This is like a child's play, When
Like a play in the sun.
yeah.
Like a bakery.
I'm not a baker. That's my problem. I know nothing about baking.
I'm making oven.
You just put a knife in the cocoa powder. Easier to cut. And you're making a sphere. See?
Mm-hmm.
And then you put sphere in there. What's it? Right. Obviously, I'm going to make all of them, but just so you don't have to wait us. Should we try one?
I want to clean your hands.
Probably. I'm going to go and wash it off first. I need to wash it. Right. By the, power of editing, obviously I washed my hands. But we'll have a go at them. And that's how they look. Grab one.
Okay. Привет.
Mm-hmm. Cheers. Oh my god, that's good. For me, 10 out of 10. God, the taste, man.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's very sweet.
But it is very
Yeah.
sweet.
And because the cocoa powder is actually cooked into the condensed milk.
Yeah.
It gives that chocolate flavor,
Yeah, the
like
caramel.
like proper chocolate.
It's the caramel
Yeah.
taste.
But yeah, people, 3 ingredients, and it takes freaking
Yeah.
15 minutes, and then you roll it. Make these because they that easy. You know, when you got guests coming and you want to impress them, make some truffles. Thank you for watching. Banging recipe. See you later. Bye.